my name is George Dale. I am a student at Wake Tech, and I'm graduating in the spring of May 2026. And the first time I experienced the work-based learning program was last spring semester of 2025, when I got my internship at the American Red Cross. And I've been working with them since, and come graduation, I'll be promoted to a full-time employee, and I'm going to be graduating with my degree in IT service and support. And the reason why I think it's important that you do this work-based learning program is because it allows you to gain experience for future employers that you're trying to apply to, along with allowing you to understand and affirm yourself, which I am affirmed that I know what I would like to do, but this is going to allow you to be like, this is exactly what I want to do, or this is not what I want to do. But you don't want to wait too late to do that. You don't want to wait till your final semester, because if you do have to pivot off to a different career, or you do have to pivot off to a different branch in IT or any degree, then it'll take you a lot longer to be able to complete that degree. So you want to start as soon as you feel comfortable, as soon as you've got all the courses that you need to and feel comfortable to apply for an internship, because that's the starting spot. You get an internship, and thankfully for me, I got an internship, and now I'm going to be full-time right after I graduate from Wake Tech, and you might do the same. And that's why I always encourage people to get an internship, especially in the work-based learning program, so that you know exactly what you want to do and you can pivot off and move from that. So it's this experience that you need in the field, so that the companies know that you can be, when you come on, they don't have to teach you everything. They're just teaching you their system. That's the difference between you, a work-based learning student who's had actual experience on the resume, and a different student who's graduated but has no actual work experience. So if you've already done those internships and you've already been able to gain the experience that you need from the work-based aspect and having work experience, then they're going to be able to hire you with confidence, knowing that, hey, he's had some experience, and then along with that, then you can have proof of your numbers, your metrics, all those different things, so that that company can know exactly what they want from you and what to expect from you.